nightmare living when you wake up. Do the shit for free like a pay cut. Dead bodies in my trunk, watch me hoard up. Keep their heads in a chest like a horcrux. Mr. Wilson Fisk, you could call me Buck. Time's up, grab my tools, now you're out of luck. Like bloody sex, I'm a horror buff. If we're next door neighbors, then you're sorta fucked. Bet you didn't know our other neighbors been dead. Sent them on a little trip to meet Pinhead. Got my Jason mask and some bloody gloves. Grabbed my ancient axe, had to cut them up. Shit's deep like the holes in the graveyard. Black chucks, tattoos, and some blade scars. Duffel bag full of scraps and some hot metal. Hell's Kitchen's ours, fuck Daredevil. Let's start a killing spree. Hell's Kitchen tonight, you and me. Let's start a killing spree. Hell's Kitchen tonight, you and me.
G36X tack to the knee. Yeah, that 55 grain knocking bitches off their feet. Frank Castle bring the heat like the symbol on my chest. Double tap to the skull, full rip through the vest. Nah, this is not a test, this a real world scenario. Surrounded by the sound of villains killing you in stereo. Blindfold a motherfucker chirps from the bird box. Ghost with the shells, no alert till you heard shots. I'ma kill him on murder, be the theme song. A gorilla, yeah, you heard the shit on King Kong. Let out the cage, Luke, I am now your father. Son and all these bastards, turn them all into my daughter. I dare the devil, fuck him, he ain't even on my level. He wanna hide from catching smoke, yo, I got a shovel. Punish anybody, I do not discriminate. Strapped like a pawn shop and ready to eliminate.
Let's start a killing spree. Hell's Kitchen tonight, you and me. Let's start a killing spree. Hell's Kitchen tonight, you and me.
Smashing pussies on sight, killers on standby. Run up in your cribble, masked up just like mankind. Bitch, I'm a landmine, so keep stepping. We keep weapons on deck, we'll wreck what your dweebs reppin'. My start giving no fucks, definitely ripping out your guts. Treat his belly like a deli, boy, come and get these cold cuts. Holding both nuts, so gruesome, make you throw up. They talking 25 to life, I'm like, so what? Show enough, tell that fuck boy he can jump in. I'll puncture this punk skin and carve him like a pumpkin. Till his face sunken, looking all deformed. You can't be saved and can't be reborn. When the team sworn, you run from the storm like Fortnite. I devour the beef and y'all want the pork tight. I be in court like it's something that I didn't do. And if you testify, then you can get it too.
Let's start a killing spree. Hell's Kitchen tonight, you and me. Let's start a killing spree. Hell's Kitchen tonight, you and me. Let's start a killing spree. Hell's Kitchen tonight, you and me. Let's start a killing spree. Hell's Kitchen tonight, you and me.
While I'm leaning like a dirty politician on a demon clip. If you talking, then you bullshit. And rappers under 30, they ain't even spitting. My wallet tell you I'm a bad motherfucker. Be the man by spirit, I don't see this color. I just do what I do, I don't play by. You a different hue, you a playboy. I came up believing, need to sleep in the bleeding, to keeping the Bible to culture many for more than me breathing. I'm seeing this a sin to kill a man, but for you mumble rappers, God might understand. We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out.
We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out.
We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out.
We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out. I done told you I'm not the one. Kingpin, run up on you with a gun. Make 'em bleed, I'm here to take bets. Collect debts and I'm here to make threats. Took a break, now I'm back on the block. Loyal to the mob and I can't be bought. Leave no trace so I can't be caught. You can never take a game back, we fought. Hands covered in mud, you can never hide a face splattered in blood. Did not my dirt, made my own plugs. Don't forget a face when they show no love. Before I confess my sins, give a little lesson I call revenge. On this journey we've come to the end. Bring pain and I'm not your friend.
We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out.
We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out.
We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going out.
We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that.
We ain't going
Murder,
out.
murder, murder, kill, kill, kill. I ain't going out until the last drop spill. Blood on my hands and flesh in my grill. Ask the last guy that tried to test my will. They wanna see me panic in dramatic kind of fashion, but I just got a habit of erratic manic slashing. Eyes on the prize, be the last one to fall. Listen to the cries, heathens got 'em all. Fucking with a monster just made a mistake. It's been a little minute since the last time I ate. Charging like a bull when they open the gate. Nah, I ain't ever full, so I'm licking the plate. So many think I'm playing when I'm saying don't try me. And I just sit praying that these haters wanna fight me. You're feeling irritated, gon' scratch the itch. But I ain't going out like a bitch, bitch.
We ain't going out